Starting breakfast, making some omelets this morning at the river cabin. Boys are watching videos from our old YouTubes, but it's a beautiful morning on the White River. You ready to go adventuring? Ryder, you ready to go adventuring? Let's go check it out here. Willie's ready to go adventuring. Look at that beautiful White River this morning. We're coming at you from the Jeep this morning. Got the top off. Captain's driving. Got the boys in the back. Got the dogs in the back. And we are going on a little adventure. Normally we just get to the cabin and kind of prep to get in the boat and go on the boat all day, but we decided it's nice this morning. The weather feels good. So we're going to go take the dogs on a hiking adventure, look for a waterfall, maybe explore new areas of Syllamore Creek that these boys haven't been to or they don't remember going to anyway. So before we get in the boat. Came to a T in the road and we're checking out all of the tornado damage from back in March. It's so significant, it's crazy. Realize how impactful those things are when you're out here in this much woods. See all these trees coming down a pretty steep hill and found Bark Shed Forest Camp. So this is an area where you can come and camp, and there's already some tents and stuff down here. Oh wow, it's busy. Yep. And here we go, one wheeling. Look at this beautiful place. Come on, Willie.
Look out in the shade.
So we hiked up that way. Now we're gonna go across the bridge and go see what's up on this other side. This water is crystal clear. A little chilly, but man, it's pure, isn't it, Rix?
Oh yeah.
All right, guys. This is about as small town country store as you're gonna get. And this guy is happy to see it. Tell us, Russ. Tell us what happened.
We got plenty of diesel.
Yeah.
Plenty of diesel. We've been out in the middle of nowhere. Rixon, did you get scared? Ryder, did you get scared about the diesel level? And we're back at English for the second time today. The boys rode their one wheels here. What?
We're seeing the folders.
Really?
Yeah.
So they've been here hanging out at Anglers. Sent a credit card and some one wheels, and they're mobile. Gonna get some boat gas and get on the Riv. Busy day at the Syllamore Creek boat ramp. Lots of boats on the other side. I'm about to go out. So we have to document what's going on right now. Ryder, tell us.
Can't find the waterfall.
Hey,
Say
looking.
it's down, I say it's up.
Where do you think the waterfall is?
I noticed the hillside. The hillside is it. It tells you.
Ryder says it's more up there.
It's just rock there.
We think we've passed it and it's more down here. So we're trying to find our illustrious waterfall. And we're embarrassed that we don't know where it is, because we haven't been here in a while.
What want to see that snake right in there?
I knew we'd make it, guys.
Drive all the way in
I'm trying
there.
to tell y'all about. We're a long ways from the hospital. Have fun.
Yeah, drive up there. It's not closed off.
Is it cold?
It ain't cold.
Yeah. What am I saying?
We've made it to the beautiful Pony Creek. A lot of the crew that's normally here was back on the bank on the entrance because it's a little high today, but man, crystal clear. Absolutely beautiful and not a soul here.
Oh yeah.
Baby, come over here. Don't tell
Whoa, Ryder, that's a super nice fish. Good job, buddy. Hold that sucker up. That's awesome.
I'm surprised.
That is a huge smallmouth.
Yeah, still should have been.
Yeah. Rickson literally just caught a fish. Whoa, Daddy got a good one. Rickson just caught a fish that was just jumping up, like not on a pole. Just netted a fish that was.
Great job.
Oh, good job, Rickson.
It was a snapping turtle. It was big. I got a picture of it.
Huge.
Y'all, that went on my thing.
We're back out for day number 2, and today we decided to put the boat in the river and explore up Syllamore Creek. So we've been fishing, and this water is as crystal clear as the water we found yesterday up at Barkshed Campground. Nice and cool. I think we're gonna head to the rope swing that we know about. It's up here on the North Fork. And then maybe do some more fishing. Were you going with him? All right. Ready, Ruth? Ready, Russ? Ready?
Look out, look out. No way, no way, no way. I just found it. I just found it.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Was it in a fish's mouth?
He comes up with the bass.
Let's go back to the boat and fish our way out.
You know that baby kid?
Monkey, my girl. Clouds building back there. That's a wrap on Father's Day weekend. Great time in Syllamore, Arkansas on the White River.